we're on the gondola going up. There's a little view. Same thing it was 5 years ago when I was going up, but maybe you'll see something different. Trees have grown a little bit here, so yeah, there they are. And yours truly here in the gondola just to prove that I am here. Yes, there it is in back of me.
Yeah. So
and we're going up here. So.
Oh yeah.
We're not stuck.
Oh, okay.
And there's people in back of us.
So if you start
All right. That's Banff down there that you're looking at. Okay.
No, we couldn't.
Yeah.
Oh, we're back at the old Sulphur Mountain. Remember the old boardwalk? There it is, going up to the top to the old weather station. The Cosmic Ray thing is off like on a side trail. It's like a gravel trail. I never really made it there last time because I walked down it and I wasn't sure how far I was going to have to walk. I was running out of time. So today I'm not going up there. I'll put the link in the video where I did it last time down in the description, in the text description, so you can see it from the last time I was here. But pretty crowded today. It is a Saturday here, so so yeah, there you go, Sulphur Mountain in Banff. We're up in Canada here. We got the old Canadian flag. Nice little breeze here, so even though it's sunny, it's temperature is pleasant here, so we're all good to go here. So good view of the mountains out in the distance here. So I got my hat tied onto my head so I don't lose it, and there's a view of some of the lakes out there, and there's that other big hotel down at the bottom which you can see, and I think we're going to have tea there tomorrow afternoon. So yeah, I think that's Banff there. So all right. Okay. And here you go. There's all the rest of the people here. The rest of our group. We got the mirror man here. If you look in the distance, way down there, you can see the Trans-Canada Highway, a little portion of it. So there it is. We're going to be traveling on that tomorrow, I think, here. So, all right, nice little breeze here. Like I said, I got to tie my hat onto my head, but that feels good. Okay, heading back down on the gondola now. So next thing, get back on the bus, go back to the hotel, and then we have dinner. So I don't know if you can see out there, going down there, but somewhere down there at the bottom. But cable looks pretty sturdy here, and this whole cable thing is made in Switzerland, so it should be okay. So all right, I'm one-man travel here, doing what I can for you. I'm a little sluggish today, so I have to apologize for that. Okay.